Great weather calls for an open sunroof, but excessive wind noise and messed up hair can really make enjoying the ride impossible. WeatherTech Sunroof Wind Deflector helps you cruise comfortably with an open sunroof by reducing wind noise and in-vehicle air turbulence. Let's take a closer look. Sunroof Wind Deflector is custom fit to your truck, car, or SUV. Its sleek, streamlined design adds a polished look to the contour of your vehicle. It's engineered to deflect air up and over your vehicle, helping decrease wind noise and turbulence while your sunroof or moonroof is open. No drilling or adhesives are required for installation. It holds securely in place with a MagiClip vehicle-specific fastening system, while the air cushion gasket seals the end of your deflector and protects your paint finish. Minimize wind noise and enjoy sunroof season with WeatherTech Sunroof Wind Deflector.